Welcome to the Prime Analyzer channel. This is what you can expect from this channel. An analysis of videos. That's correct. This is not a reactionary channel. You can expect great commentary. And last but not least, an education. Now it's time to analyze this video.
How you doing, ma'am?
Hi.
You have your license and registration on
Did I do something wrong?
you? So when I ran your tag, it's showing you have a warrant. I just want to confirm whether or not that's true.
Sorry?
Showing you have a warrant.
Who has one?
You. If you're the registered owner.
No.
You're not the registered owner?
No.
Okay. You have your ID on you?
Hey you, the one sitting on the couch eating chips. Get your butt up and take your nutty professor finger and hit the subscribe button so you can see videos analyzed by the Prime Analyzer like this.
It's showing you have a warrant. I just want to confirm whether or not that's true.
Sorry?
Showing you have a warrant.
Who has one?
You. If you're the registered owner.
No.
You're not the registered owner?
No.
Okay. You have your ID on you? Damn!
Sean!
Come for help!
Sean! Sean! I didn't do anything. I didn't do shit. My car is rolling.
Get on here.
Was it that one?
Yeah. She's got a warrant. Pulled her over. When I got to the door, she ripped in reverse. What happened?
He got.
Alright, don't move. You're good.
Both her over for warrant. When I got up, I recognized it was her. She ripped in reverse, backed up and turned the wheel, ran me over, and then took off. And I got her right here.
Is everybody in custody?
Yeah, she's
Yeah.
she's the only one in the car.
Anybody else? Who's doing the car?
No, the car was empty. It just back. She left in reverse after she got out of the car. And ended up all the way over there.
So back here.
Yeah. So no, I pulled her in. She pulled into right here.
Oh, shit. What am I under arrest for? What am I under arrest for?
Okay, wait, slow it down.
What am I under arrest for? I'm so scared. Please. I
Looks
thought
like
you were going to
possible
hurt me.
value.
To ask why you're being arrested after doing that? Come on now. Before we return to the video, did you know that what the cop did by stopping her after running her plates without cause wasn't always legal before the early 2000s? It's legal now because license plates are public information, not a private matter, and therefore are subject to public observation. However, for a police officer to pull you over after running your plates, they must have a valid, lawful reason, such as a traffic violation or a finding from the plate check like an expired registration or a warrant, like this case, which provides them with reasonable suspicion.
Okay, wait, slow it down.
What am I under arrest for? I'm so scared. Please. I
Looks
thought
like
you were going to
possible
hurt
value.
me.
We're good. No detained. You good?
Yes, sir.
Okay, rescue 1018,
Who are you looking for?
1534, just out.
Who are you looking for? Please tell me that. I feel scared. You're
On a marked
harassing me.
cruiser foot.
I dropped my car off here to get to the brake shop.
Relax.
I just got scared, dude. You just ran up on me like that. I didn't even do shit.
Over here. I'll be right back with you. Stand up.
Yes, sir. You just scared the fuck out of me.
Stand up.
Can you just please move my car, sir?
Let's go.
Ma'am, can you grab my phone right there, please, and tell my husband to come get me? Who do you have a warrant for?
Man, I walk up and I see him about to pass out.
Ma'am.
Sit down. There was somebody fighting. We need rescue 1018 for an officer, please. Man, we need you over here.
I'm gone.
You grab my shirt right there. I think it's my phone.
Is this your phone?
I can't tell if it's my phone or hers. No, I think that's her phone. Fuck.
It's gonna be hers.
Yeah. She ran me over.
She ran you over?
Yeah, I tried to get into the door and she backed out. Ran me over.
What leg?
right leg and I slammed my fucking head on the concrete. I'm dizzy as shit right now.
Alright, just relax, buddy.
I got you.
All right, the audio will return in less than 30 seconds.
Bueno.
Hey, we're 97 Bayfront.
After inspecting her vehicle, police issued a notice stating that it would be seized under Florida's anti-contraband laws. She was formally charged with 4 serious offenses: aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, resisting arrest with violence, battery on a law enforcement officer, and an active arrest warrant. But that's not all. The woman also has a lengthy criminal record in Pinellas County, including charges for prostitution, domestic violence, criminal mischief, drug possession, DUI, and petty theft, spanning over the past 6 years.
Where to? It's not coming with me now, though. It's just going to Pinellas County Jail.
And also, ma'am, as far as the cuffs, I clearly see there's right here, 2 fingers right here, and
Oh, wait, I need to turn my
and then
through there.
I'm just saying, then two fingers going here, right here. So just make sure it's documented. Cuffs were not tied on you, clearly. Okay.
I'm actually going to be taking the handcuffs and putting them in front. All right, that's cool. Thank you. I
So it's
appreciate
gonna be
you.
a lot more comfortable. I don't see any more cuts. I know you said you were bleeding earlier, because I don't see any more cuts, bleeding, or anything else.
Yeah, they're all internal bleeding.
Internal. Okay. Because you said you were bleeding all over my back seat.
This is the one that really hurts more.
You know what I'm saying? You said you were bleeding all over the black seat. That's
I
why,
say
but I don't
thank you
see
again. I
any.
appreciate you.
No problem, ma'am. Absolutely. Glad we're able to help you, ma'am.
Right, I know you've already been searched. Was there anything to search that was necessary? Okay. And before I put you in the van, you have to go to the bathroom?
I do.
See if there's a female.
64 Fox.
I need some more.
Do we have a female officer for the West End break, please?
I'm gonna grab a chair for you to sit in.
There you go, officer.
I don't actually make phone calls to anybody now. You grab a chair for you. Once you get out there, you're going to call and let another call out. You go ahead and have somebody there.
Are you good with me for now?
Huh?
Are you good with me for now? No, I'm not leaving. I'm just gonna
That's fine.
contact complete for now.
Okay, I'm going to read you this form. It's called a notice of seizure, okay? It's made out to you, Miss Grimsley, in reference to case 2024-042614. This is to advise you that on the 5th day of December, which is today, 2024, the St. Peter Police Department is seizing the above referenced property for a violation of the Florida Contraband Forfeiture Act. You are hereby notified that you are entitled by law enforcement to request an adversarial preliminary hearing to determine whether there is probable cause to believe the property was used in violation of this act. Please note that adversarial preliminary hearing is not mandatory and you need not request a hearing to later contest the action taken against the property described here within. Each claimant will be given the opportunity to appear in court before final disposition of the matter. If you desire such a hearing, you must make a request in writing by certified mail, return receipt requested to the St. Peter Police Department Legal Division at the address listed below within 15 days of receiving this notice. This request must be accompanied by a copy of this notice. The seizing agency will notify you of the time, date, and place of the hearing. Alright? I've selected that I provide you a copy of the notice in person because here I am. I'm going to provide you a
What
copy.
are my charges, if you don't mind?
There's a list of them. I'll have the other officer tell you, but
Before I sign that, I would like to see them, please.
that's fine. You can sign if you want. If you don't, it doesn't matter either way. Okay.
I just want to know my charges. Alright,
Can you get Jundy?
Yeah. Johnny.
and honestly, yeah, like, it just, everything happened so quick. Like, he pulled me out of the car and said I had a warrant, but I didn't get the time to, like, explain anything. I just kind of panicked. The car was still rolling, and we both got ran over. So,
Okay.
I don't know.
Yes, sir.
Okay. She was asking, since you obviously did the Vipers, what her charges were specifically, all the individual ones.
You're fine, go ahead.
Okay. So, ma'am, we have aggravated battery with a deadly weapon. The deadly weapon is considered the vehicle that you utilize to run the officer over. Okay? This is a battery.
Okay, but
Okay?
the car was running. I mean, it was rolling by itself backwards.
I'm
The officer was standing
not
on the
I'm not
side.
here to.
Okay.
This is all court stuff.
Okay,
Yeah, you
I
can
understand.
explain all that to the judge, it's the attorney, your attorney, whoever the case might be. I'm just, you ask the question, I'm just telling. Then you have resisting with violence. Okay? When you're resisting the arrest and you punching the officer at the same time, this is violence.
Punch
Well,
When you were fighting him.
You're fighting.
or turning away, you're saying?
Well, you're on top of him and you're hitting him. as you
I
try.
wasn't hitting him.
Okay, anyway,
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay.
And then you have a battery.
He's telling you.
And then you have a battery on law enforcement officer. When he's striking him on the chest area and stuff, this is that consists of battery. It's illegal touching or striking another person. This is a battery. The situation, you battered an officer. Okay? So you have the resisting, the aggravated battery with a deadly weapon, and then I have the two more. Let me go, just make sure. Here for you.
And what are the
Yeah,
violence
battery
rates?
and law enforcement.
That's all something that you
battery
have to
law
find out.
enforcement, the
What do you get
resisting, an aggravated battery, and the warrant, which is 4 of them. You have the warrant, so there's 4 charges.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
If she doesn't grab a shovel and try her best to dig up Johnny Cochran, I just don't see her getting out of this one without serving a lengthy prison sentence. Amongst all of her prior convictions, the domestic V conviction on her record will hinder her chances of a lighter sentence if convicted because her new charges are all in relation to violence. Judges typically determine sentences based on several factors, and one is the consistency between your criminal history and your current offenses. The cop's injuries will also be another determining factor in her trial as well. Whatever her warrant was that drew the cop to stop her wasn't remotely close to the seriousness of these new charges. Not by a long shot. Well, that concludes my analysis of this video. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
If you haven't subscribed to the Prime Analyzer channel, you are missing out on great content. Subscribe now so that you will have the advantage of receiving notifications for the upcoming content that is soon to come. The upcoming content contains information that has been thoroughly researched and possibly repurposed. However, all of this channel's videos are created with a purpose to criticize and educate. So do yourself a favor and give a comment below on your thoughts about this, and also click like and subscribe with notifications on for future related videos.